It's time to get started on our feature article project. Remember, every time you make a copy of something, you need to first go up to the top left-hand corner and type your name at the beginning of the title. Then click on the Share button to share with your teacher. Once you've done that, use the arrow in the folder to move into your writing folder in your Google Drive. If you notice, every slide has a set of directions on the right-hand side and down in the speaker notes. The directions will tell you the date that you should be working on this slide. After each slide is a stop sign that tells you to stop. You're finished with your work for the day. Don't move on till tomorrow. Please don't move on until tomorrow. Each slide has a seesaw lesson that goes with it. For example, slide 3, you will work on October 20th, 22nd, and 23rd. You can't do this without first doing the seesaw lesson. We'll use the tools that we used in our last video to edit our All About the Author slide. First, I'm going to type in my name. And I'm going to choose what I am soon to be famous for. This can be a hobby, a special talent, or a passion. For example, I'm soon to be famous for making mac and cheese fancy. I want to insert some pictures. To do this, I'll go up to my image tool, select Search the Web, and type what I'm searching for. I'm looking for a mac and cheese grilled cheese. If I double click on the picture, it will insert it into my slide. I can resize my picture and move it around the screen. If I want my picture to be bigger and behind the text, I can select my text box, right-click, choose Order, and bring my text box to the front. Now, it will go in front of my picture. That way, I can resize my picture to be bigger and go behind the text. I also want to move my image in front of it. Now I want to type a caption. My 2 favorite foods, mac and cheese and grilled cheese. How else can we spice it up? On the left page, I have a second picture that I'll include. I also want to include a main paragraph or body of my article. I can insert a text box. Here I can type a little bit about what I do to make my macaroni and cheese fancy. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? Sometimes the same old thing every night gets boring. That's why I like to make my mac and cheese fancy. Here are some of the ways that you can improve this average meal to a gourmet meal. I can change my font. I can change the size. And remember, you can use your spell check. Now I want to add a little bit more text, so I'm going to drop it down here. I think I want to do a list. So I'm going to go up to the top and click bullet points. You might want to make it spicy. You can make it fancy, like a lobster mac and cheese. You can make it 4 cheese mac and cheese. You can make a grilled mac and cheese or mac and cheese pizza. Remember, I can change my font at the top. I'll go ahead and search for my second image here to complete my article. Now it's your turn. Make a copy, rename, share, move into your Google Drive writing folder, and get creative. What are you soon to be famous for?